Question number 94 of the ID Passport exam for PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is the most appropriate purpose of implementing gamification by taking full advantage of the game elements such as points and badges? Okay, let's highlight the keyword gamification. We want to take full advantage of the game elements such as points and badges. The way to answer this question is to, of course, read each and every choice that we've got. Let's start off with letter A. It's saying that it's deciding one's own strategy in a game according to the strategy of the opponent. We can move on to letter B, just in case there's something much more apt for gamification, the word gamification, the use of points and badges. Providing motivation to help achieve the goals of the customers and employees. I think this is the best answer, and I think I was able to get this answer right away, and later on we'll see why. So we look at letter C next. Collecting user evaluation concerning new network games. Okay. Letter D, analyzing large volume of data to detect useful facts and relationships. Okay. So again, we're talking about gamification. You want to take full advantage of it using its game elements such as points and badges. Now, if we are going to decide one's own strategy in a game based on the strategy of the opponent, and we're going to use points and badges, I think this could be a use of game elements, but it's not necessarily what we're going for as sort of like the purpose of putting in gamified elements, because this looks like it's already a game. Letter B is saying that we provide motivation to help achieve the goals of the customers' employees. I think the word motivation comes up often when we talk about why any platform would want to put in gamified elements. And I think I do remember Khan Academy and some of the other apps available out there too, where they have points and badges. I think in Duolingo too, they use some kind of like a badge or like a streak. I think they use streaks to tell people how many days have you been continuously using the app. So in that way, you wanna tell people that this is what we've achieved. Like for example, watching a whole set of videos and you get some points um, based on the videos that you watch and how long they are. And in that way, I guess it helps the people who are part of the network who are also playing the game see that there's this guy who has been playing for over 2 years or so straight, no misses on the days, and in that way it helps them get motivated. But I think in my case, I pretty much just use what we call intrinsic type of motivation, where I know that because even though I don't necessarily need like an external factor to motivate me to see that this guy has been playing the game for the Duolingo game for example for years, and because of that I want to do something like that too, because in my case it's more of like what have I done today, so that there's something that I could tell myself that I've accomplished something. Because sometimes you pass a day without really having accomplished anything noteworthy. So in my case, I look for something that today this is what I've done, and it's notable. It's a notable task. and that way that gets me motivated more than the gamified elements. Letter C saying collecting user evaluation concerning new network games. I think you can do this without necessarily putting the gamified elements. Although I guess it can be also used in doing something like this. Analyzing large volume of data to detect useful facts and relationships. Okay, so that's also okay. So all these choices seem to point to a purpose of having to put these gamified elements, but I think the best answer is really to get people motivated so that they can achieve the goals that they are aiming for. And because of that, and particularly the word motivation here, because of the word motivation here, this is the best answer, letter B.